Hi there, I'm Wendy from Lane & High, and today I'm going to show you how to cut through a nail or a screw using one of my favorite tools. This is a Dremel, and in my opinion, it's one of the most important tools a homeowner can have. It's very versatile. I have used it in so many different ways, from cutting the liner of my husband's bed liner in my husband's truck, to install a tonneau cover, all the way to regrouting my shower. And today I'm going to show you how to use this to cut through a nail. I redid some shelves in my wine cellar recently, and we had a lot of wine storage in there, and I needed more shelving space for glassware and liquor bottles and decor items. So we removed some of the X's that were in the wine cellar. And when we removed those shelves, those X's, there were all these nails protruding from the sides. The original person who built these built them off-site and installed them several units next to one another. I couldn't get to the outside of the shelf to pull the nails out, so I had to cut them off. So with a cutting tool and my Dremel, I cut the nails down at the base where they were coming out of the wood. It was super simple, it takes about 30 seconds. And you can also use this method for cutting screws or staples. Now, one thing I will tell you is whenever you're using a Dremel, always wear eye protection. You'll see that in this video, my nails sort of just fall down, but they can go flying in any direction, and you do not want one of those things hitting your eye. It will cause a lot of damage. So please, whenever you're using the Dremel, make sure you wear eye protection, safety goggles, to protect your eyes so that they do not get hurt. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get the oscillating piece really close to the base and get it really in there. Don't worry about the spark. Let it cool for a second. There's a little bit in there still. There you go. Here is another view of me cutting off a nail in the shelves. It's a little bit better lighting. You can see it a little bit better. I did cause a little bit of damage on the wood, as you will see where the nail came out, but with some touch-up stain, you can't see it at all. And I will show you the finished product at the end of the video, and you'll be able to tell that you can't see any damage from where I cut off these nails. I hope you like this video and feel comfortable using a tool like this Dremel. I will link in the description box the exact Dremel and cutting tool that I used. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll show you a final view of my finished wine cellar.